Alright, I'm thinking we start early. What do you guys think? Should we start early? Also, sorry about all the scenes mix-up. How you guys doing, everybody? Let me check and see who we've got here in the chat so far. We got Crayfad, Kid Seofui, I hope I'm saying that right. ZZBot's brother, Ponce. We've got Gaming TV Studios. We've got Gold Rush Hockey. Welcome, everybody, to the stream. I hope you're all doing well. We are, saw somebody ask what game I'm making. I'm continuing this mini games series that we've been doing live. Starter, welcome to the stream as well. And guys, huge thing right here. Look at this. Thank you all so much. Today, we hit 13,000 subscribers. Appreciate everybody who has subscribed. We hit that goal earlier this morning, so that was awesome to see. So I appreciate everybody who is subscribed. Seriously, you guys are awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. And then welcome Tonk to the stream as well. Hope you all are doing well. All right, you guys have any ideas for future mini games? Let me know in the chat. I think we're gonna start out by making this voting system because it's probably a pretty important thing. So we're gonna start out by scripting that. Yeah, let's go ahead and start, and then VP3R says, I'm a sub, appreciate that, thank you so much. 13,000 second sub, thank you so much, appreciate that a lot. Alright, let's see here. So we have the voting system, and I think we're gonna have to, like, group these together as, minigame 1. And then a person, I think, welcome to the stream, hope you are doing well. Let's go ahead and group these as minigame 2 and minigame 3. Also, Kid Taufweek says hello, welcome to the stream. Let's see. Okay, so there are obviously multiple ways we could do this. I think what I'm gonna do is insert a string value into each of these, and we're gonna call this chosen. Oops. Chosen minigame. Are you going to upload the part 10 of the Roblox scripting? Yeah, I believe it'll be on Monday, though. I'm a little behind on videos at the moment, so it's either going to be Monday or possibly, not likely, but possibly later today. Good afternoon, Kobe Official says, welcome to the stream. Hope you're doing well. So, I think we're going to go ahead and head into the minigame handling. And let's get this started. So, before we choose the minigame, so instead of just choosing a random minigame, we're going to select 3 different ones from the minigames. Let's see. So, we'll say local possible minigames, and we're going to create a table equals that for I, v in pairs and replicated storage minigames get children do table.insert possible minigames v.name. So we're creating a brand new table with all the possible minigames, and that's just all of these in here. And then we can select 3 out of that table randomly. So for I equals 1, 3, do. Local votes, let's do vote minigame equals to possible minigames, math.random, 1 number of possible minigames. So it's going to choose a random minigame. Let's see. And then we can say, let's see. So in the voting system, I'm going to rename, actually. So this is probably not the most efficient way to do this. But, you know, today is my birthday, can you add me? I'm 12 today. I'm sorry, I don't add people, but happy birthday, seriously, like, that's an awesome thing. I hope you're having a great birthday so far. And then, where did you learn to script? Mostly on YouTube, just different YouTube channels. A lot of you are familiar with Alvin Blocks. That's where I learned most of that. But also the dev forum's really helpful, things like that. Okay, so after we have chosen that, we are going to, This is not the most efficient way to do it, but if I equals 1, else if I equals 2, else, okay, so the first, second, and third minigame. So we can say table.remove possible minigames, comma, and then vote minigame. So after we've already selected a random one, we want to remove it from the table so we don't accidentally have two of the same minigames to vote on. Let's see, Brandon Gaming 9912 says, hi, welcome to the stream. Tommelbaum says, hi, welcome to the stream as well. Are you continuing on one of many? Yes, that's what I'm doing right now, working on that game right now. So right now we're doing a voting system so that people can vote on a minigame instead of it being selected randomly. Alright, let's see. So now that we've done this, we can go ahead and insert. So we're going to want eventually like an image of each minigame. But for the time being, since we don't have that, I think I'm just going to display some text here. Surface GUI, what game am I making? A minigames game. So it's just a different assortment of minigames that you guys will be able to play. Oh, so that's on the back. One sec, guys. Okay, what it's gonna be called? The minigames game is called. I let you guys decide, and you guys decided on one of many in the very first stream, so that's what it's called. Alright, usually for my cousin, it usually takes him a couple of months or so to make a game. He usually does it with his friends. Yeah, so, I mean, I'm only working on this game on streams, so that's probably part of the reason why it's taking me so long. Because I do this maybe once or twice a week. But a couple months, honestly, isn't that bad for how long it takes, because I have had times where I have spent months. Like my most recent game I spent about half a year on, and it was just a simulator game because I wasn't like, whoops, I wasn't working on it as like the fastest that I could have been. But you know, 0.7875. Sorry, I'm trying to get the position of this perfect. That's probably fine. And then 0.57. There we go. So this is going to be the votes. Okay, let's go ahead and change the font because that's kind of ugly. Alright, so we'll say 0. Set the text color to be white. And let's give it some stroke. Stroke. Votes. And thickness will be 3. Okay, so next, we don't want any border, so let's just make the background transparent. There we go. So those are the votes. Cobra, have you ever tried to make a Doors tutorial? I've not. I actually have hardly played Doors, to be honest. It's not really my style, but, I mean, I could try. How long have you been scripting for? About 4 years, I think, on Roblox. But before that, I mean, I was one of those people that did Scratch. I don't know. A lot of people did Scratch before moving on to other things. So, let's see. Let's insert a text label. It should be called Classic Minigames. Yeah, I think I'm going to stick with what I have, not because I don't like that name, but just because I promised the stream that they could choose the name, and that's what you guys came up with, so I think that I'm going to go ahead and keep it at that. Let's change this index, z-index, z-index, whatever it's actually called. Alright, let's make this white as well. This is just going to be the name of the minigame. Oops, that's an ugly font. Minigame name. UI stroke. We have 16 people here in the stream. Welcome, everybody. Make sure to click that like button if you have not already. We have 16 people and 8 likes on the stream, so I'd really appreciate that. Let's see. Secret Frosty says, hi, welcome to the stream, Secret Frosty. Hope you're doing well. Is this devlog going to have more than one stream for this game? Yeah, so I've actually been working on it. I believe this is like stream number 5, or give or take. So I've been streaming about an hour each time, and then just kind of devlogging it, like you said. So let's call this sign and had. Okay, let me check the chat real quick. Nozika says, yo, bro, what game are you making? Welcome to the stream. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. I'm making a mini-games game that I've been working on for about, I think, 5 streams or so. And then Mike Ramirez says, hi, welcome to the stream. You're my favorite Roblox YouTuber. Oh, thank you so much, man. That means a lot to me. What is the next scripting tutorial going to be about? You mean the next scripting series episode? Is that what you're talking about? Oh, shoot. And that's a lot of subs right there. Thank you guys. Thank you, Manface. I didn't have time to see what that was. Manface, thank you so much for subscribing. Appreciate that a lot. So the next episode of the beginner scripting series is going to be, oh gosh, what is it going to be? I'm kind of blanking at the moment. Vector 3, I believe. I think. So we're gonna, I think it's that one. If it is, that's when we're gonna be learning about, different positions and stuff like that. So hopefully that answers your question. Let me go ahead and move these. Okay, so, like I said, this probably isn't the most efficient way to do this, but it's the quickest way I can think of at the top of my head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a folder called votes, and this is just going to store the different votes. Int value, first game, oh, I didn't name it, first game vote. No, 1, 2, and 3. So this is minigame 1, 2, and 3, and then they'll store the number of votes. Could I ask, what is your favorite genre of game? That's a good question. I'd say, I don't know. I like action fighting games. Those are really fun. I don't know. That's a good question. I'll have to think about that. Future Hacker, welcome to the stream. Remember when you made a tutorial on how to make a fighting game? Thank you for that, for making that video. Oh yeah, I remember that. I'm glad it was helpful. Hey, when this game is done, can we play it? Yeah, so after the, at the end of the game, or at the end of the stream, we always, all join a server of this game so that you guys can all play with me and check out the progress. Here are these 3 models. Nope, these are, I think the only model was just this default, like, noob character, which, like, I mean, you could just import a default character, so other than that, no, these are all just random models I made very quickly, like these low poly trees. I just subbed. Thank you so much for the new subscriber. Appreciate that. Do you know the game Piggy? Yes, I do. I haven't played it much, but I do know the game. Hi, bro, away from Egypt. Welcome to the stream. And then Kobe Official, oh, that's a great idea. Yeah, I'm hoping to do that each stream where we just, you know, play the game so you guys can see the progress. New minigame or voting this stream? I think, at least for now, voting. And then we'll just see from there. Do I put joins on? Yeah, I can put joins on. I usually just send the link to the game, but I can turn my joins on also. Okay, so let's go back to the voting script. So, chosen minigame, we are gonna give everybody, I think, maybe 10 seconds to vote. So, let's see, possible minigames. We have the table. And then let's just go ahead and set up this voting now that we have each minigame. So we can say workspace.voting_system.minigame1. Let me back in here. Sign service GUI frame. Game name. Okay. What's my username? It's 5ironfan2006. I'll put it in the chat later so you guys can see that because that's probably hard to remember. .sign.surface GUI.frame.game name. Text, text equals to vote minigame, and we'll just say workspace voting system minigame 1 sign votes dot frame frame sign service UI frame votes dot text equals to 0. Okay, and then we're just going to do this the same for all the different minigames. Again, not the most efficient way to do it. I probably would have wanted to do this in a for loop. But, you know, it works, so we're just going to stick with that. Minigame 2, minigame 3, minigame 3. Okay. When will this live stream end? Probably in about 40-ish minutes. That's my guess. Cobra, I have an idea for the game about in each mini game where there's a tiny quest that gives you stuff when you've done. Interesting. Yeah, I'll keep that in mind. Thank you for the suggestion. Hello, I started coding Lua using your 2022 beginner scripting series, and now I'm making my own zombie survival game. Nice. Love how you made the tutorials, how easy it was to understand. Thank you. I appreciate those kind words. I'm glad that they were helpful, and it's awesome that you're making your own game. So, let's see here. Okay, cool. Let's see, 000, perfect. So, I'm going to, next, we're going to give him 10 seconds, but first we should also insert a script into the pad. Okay. And then, let's see, think a soccer minigame would be easy? Yeah, probably, we could do that. I could keep that in mind. I've actually never made any soccer games, ever, so... What are the mini games going to be? Not sure yet. I currently have 3. One's like that classic Mario Party color drop, so you have to go to the color that was selected and all the other ones fall. There's one where you have to dodge bullets from a gigantic noob, and then there's one obby. You were the one that helped me write my first line of code. Awesome. I'm seriously, like, so grateful that you guys are here and that I'm able to help you guys on this journey. Really means a lot. Okay, let's call this cast vote. Script.parent. Touched. Whoa. Touched. Connect function. Hits. Local PLR. If game.players. Nope. Players. Child hit.parent.name. Then local PLR equals game.players. Calling find first child hit.parent.name. To be honest, I like the stream. Thank you. Appreciate that. You're better than Alvin Blocks, not gonna lie. Oh, I appreciate that a lot. I mean, I really respect Alvin Blocks, but I'm glad that I could help you guys out. What is your favorite Roblox game that you have made? So, I don't know. That's a good question. Maybe this simulator game, even though it's a simulator, my friend and I worked really hard on it, so, we made this game called Sword Fighting Simulator, and unfortunately, a very similar game called Sword Fighters Simulator was released at the same time and now has like 30,000 players. So, I focus more of my developing time on YouTube though, to teach you guys. Most of my games are just small little games, that I just do for fun because I spend the majority of time, teaching you guys what I can. Alright, let's see. If PLR find first child, vote, then else local vote equals instance.new string value vote.name equals vote.value equals script.parent.parent.sign.surface.ui.frame.nameName.text. So this should create a new value. Child vote value. So this should work. You seem like a tutor. I mean, in a way, because I teach people on YouTube, it's just a little different. I have an idea for a series about a horror game or raise a floppa when you're done with this game. Yeah, I could consider it. I don't really do horror games that much. It's not my style, but I have made, like, piggy tutorials in the past. Okay, so I believe this should work. So we cast the vote, and then we also want to create an int value that stores an integer. This mini game index. The first one will be 1, then we have 2 and 3. So minigame index. That one's 2. This just makes things easier. Again, maybe not the most efficient way, but an easy way to create a voting system. So we can say, actually, if, oh, so that's going to be the issue with this, is figuring out whether, if they have voted for another minigame. Okay. So we can say if $vote.value equals this. So if they've already voted for this, then we don't want to do anything. Then ignore. Else. So first, we're gonna want to for IV in pairs. Workspace dot voting system get children do if v dot sign dot surface GUI dot frame dot game name dot text equals that. So we're looping through all of the voting pads, and we're checking to see if the player has voted for another minigame, then we want to remove that vote. So we can say game.replicatedStorage.votes colon find first child v.minigameindex.value, but we want to toString it because these values, these minigame values, are indexes. They're int values. And then we have these votes that are named 1, 2, and 3. So if we can match up the index, like this right here is minigame 1. If we can match that up with this vote here, then we can tell what am I saying? We can tell this to switch how many votes it has, if that makes any sense. So let's finish up this script. So what type of game is this going to be? It's going to be a mini-games game. So this is something I've been working on for the last few streams. Let's see. ZombieFG said, yo, welcome to the stream. Spedsharnspeller, I hope I am pronouncing that right, says, what are you doing? Making a mini-games game? How should I start Roblox coding? I always have watched YouTube videos. That's what helps me. But, yeah. It's different for everybody else. Tangi Edits, welcome to the stream. Absolute chat of a gamer says not pay to win. Nice. Yeah, I'm definitely not making this game pay to win at all. How could I understand those? I don't know. It gets difficult at first. But with practice, it's easier. Okay, let's see. Good job on 13k subs. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Should I start making a game like Doors? You could if you'd like to. I would say when it comes to making games, thank you for everybody who is subscribing, including Weird Mations. Appreciate you all. When it comes to making games, I would always say make whatever you're passionate about. If this is gonna be something that that you're gonna be like, I don't know, wanting to do it at first, and then just like, hey, I'm kind of bored of this now, don't go with it. But if it's something that you know you're going to be passionate about, keep going. You know, just do something that you will enjoy making through the whole time. What was your first Roblox game that you made? Oh, that's, so I made this game called Tower Tycoon that was awful. And I'm saying awful, like, that's just being kind to the game. It was terrible. I mean, I could play it later on the stream if you guys would find that interesting, but it was bad. How long did it take you to fully understand basic/advanced of scripting? Basics, maybe half a year. Advanced, maybe a year or two. It takes time. It's different for everybody. Let's see. Let me get back to this, and I'll check the chat in just a couple minutes. So where we do this, we're gonna say find first child dot value minus equals 1. Okay. And here we'll say the v scripts dot parent dot parents dot minigame index plus equals 1. So those are the votes. I think that does it, if I'm doing this right. So let me insert a local script into here. Local script, we'll just call this update votes. We'll say game get service run service dot render stepped connect function. So every frame we just want to update the votes to be local votes equals game.replicated storage.votes colon game.replicated storage wait for child votes colon wait for child Script.parent.parent.parent.parent. Nope, too many parents. Dot minigame. Nope, too many parents. Minigame parent.parent minigame index dot value. But we also want to toString that. Okay. Script.parent.text equals toString votes dot value. Okay, do you memorize codes? Memorize, like, the basics of code so that I can, you know, combine it for whatever's helpful for my situation. Okay, I decided I'm just going to make an obby and said, nice, yeah, if you're passionate about that, I would say that's what you should do. To me, I feel like you should have more than 21 likes. I mean, if you guys would like to click the like button, I'd really appreciate it, but up to you guys. I have the remembrance of a fish. You know, so I do too, but for some reason, not when it comes to computers. Honestly, like, I have terrible memory, but I can remember things with computers really well. Alright, minigame index 2. I think that should be basics. Whoops, that should be 1. Minigame index 2. And then we will drag it over. And then we'll just need to reset the minigame. Let's see. Minigame 3. Okay, so this is the voting, these are the voting pads, and then we want to reset the values. Tangy Edit says, bye, see ya, have a great rest of your day, and then, I gotta go, sorry, bye, Code Bro, but I'll be back. No worries, Brand the Gaming. Hope to see you later. If not, have a great rest of your day. That's why I can't code that well, but I want to make a horror game. Yeah, it just takes practice, to be honest. Will you make an advanced scripting tutorial on Roblox? I have some advanced scripting tutorial stuff, and I may continue it in the future. It just depends on what I end up doing, I guess. I'll still have to decide, I suppose. Okay, so after 10 seconds, okay, hold on. So we're gonna get rid of that and rid of that. So we'll say for I, v in pairs, game.replicator.votes, get children do v.value equals to 0. So we're resetting all the votes at the beginning of this. I really want to watch this, but I have another stream to watch. No worries, if you gotta go, it's totally fine. How should I start? So either watch tutorials on YouTube or try the dev forum. Either way works. Jaboy says baller, welcome to the stream. Anton Belusco says, welcome to the, says, can you hack your game? Don't add inappropriate stuff. Don't know what you mean by that. Are you talking about that troll last stream? We had a pretty bad troll last stream. Okay. What is dev forum? So the dev forum, let me put the link in the chat. It is a place where developers can come together and ask questions, and they can just, you know, send it to each other. You can search there for answers to your questions, things like that. Hi, I'm a starter game creator on Roblox. I need some help to make a data store on multiple values. Oh yeah, I have a tutorial on that. So check out my tutorial on data saving. That should really help you. How do you have the old icons? I found a tutorial on YouTube. I can send that link if you would like. What kind of game are you making? I'm making a mini games game at the moment. That's what I've been working on the last few streams. Okay, so now that we've reset this, we want to for I equals 10, comma 1 do. Wait 1. Oh, comma negative 1. That's right. And then we're gonna count down, or 0, my bad. 0. Voting. Okay, so that's the voting. This is not working. All of them are not working. Interesting. Have you seen my tutorial on data saving? Can you make a series where you rate fans' games? I really hope to do that soon. That is something that I would love to do eventually. Okay, so now we'll loop through for I, comma v in pairs. Game.replicate storage votes. Get children. Do local number of votes equals 0. Local chosen minigame. If v.value is greater than number of votes, then chosen minigame equals okay. Chosen minigame equals possible game.replicated storage dot minigames find first child possible minigames I, and then number of votes equals v.value. So that should be the voting system right there, I think. Okay, let me check the chat real quick. How long have you been working on this game? A couple of weeks, but only on streams. That's the thing. This has been solely on streams and nothing more. I'm going. Sorry, no worries. Crayfat. Check his Discord. He does have Discord. Check his about. Yeah, I do have a Discord server. Can you help me a little with the game? I'm sorry. I'm not gonna do collabs at the moment. I'm pretty busy with the other stuff I'm working on right now. But that's why I post YouTube videos, so I hope those are helpful. Let's see. Once I get a PC, I was gonna make with my friend to make a horror game. Yeah, I mean collabs can be great. I made a game with my friend recently and it was awesome. Okay, so I think that's the voting system. I think 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna give it a test. I'm gonna just turn off my screen for just a second, because I'm going to run a local server, and then I will bring that back up. We're already like 10 subs past 13,000, which is just awesome, so thank you everybody who is subbed. We have 13,011, and like about an hour ago we just hit 13,000. What's the lowest sub count needed? Oh, hold on, that just got blocked. Give me a second. What's the lowest sub count needed to get into the STAR program? 100,000. That is a big reason why I'm not in the STAR program. Okay, so here's a test for the voting. Voting is obviously broken. Okay, let me check the server real quick. Number 32. Table.remove, vote minigame. Vote minigame, possible minigames. Oh, weird. Oh, duh. Alright, so, let me head back in here. And the problem was, I was saying remove the voted minigame when I had to say table.find. Possible minigames, comma, vote minigame. That should do it. I'm going to go ahead and start up a test server once again. Let me check the chat again, see what you guys are saying. This is my first time being here live. Awesome, welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a great day. I'm making a game, it's called Speed Trail Simulator. Awesome, I'd like to check it out at some point. I think you should not make the same games as others to be famous. Yeah, I agree. I mean, to an extent, it's fine. If you get an inspiration, that's a different thing. Like, for my case, okay, voting, noob attack, and there's a problem with the voting system, okay. Let's check here, okay, so, what? Something's broken. Oh, duh. Okay, I'm gonna turn this back on, and I know what's going on. Let's see, back onto here. So the problem is, at the beginning, I need to insert this value, instead of just instancing a brand new value. I think that we should, when a player joins, we should insert this value called vote, and that is a string value. So we'll say, whenever we, Let's see, we'll loop through all the players when it's time to vote. So, start voting, and then we'll just loop through all the players. Get players. If not the find first child vote, then local vote equals instance dot new string value vote dot parent equals v equals vote. Okay, so that ought to do it. Let me turn this off one more time, and we're going to start up one more server. And then let me check the chat, because it's been a little while. Let me scroll up a bit. Okay. Let's see, I have a glitch, but I can't fix it. What's the glitch? I have a sword game, but sadly I can't fix a glitch. Yeah, what's the glitch? You can let me know, maybe in my Discord server, and I can try and help you out with that. I want to make a game in the future and intend to make the same aim. What do you think about the name? Yeah, I think that's awesome. The same aim. I mean, it depends on what style of game you're going on, but that sounds like a cool name to me. Alright, so let's check the voting system again. Let's vote for color drop. And yay, there's another bug. Vote. My value is color drop. That's the thing. Noob attack. Color drop. Volcano run. You can see it's changing right here. So it is working. It's like changing my votes. Is it changing replicated storage though? That's the question. No. Okay. So that's the issue, is none of these are being changed. API, yeah, none of that. This is weird. Alright, I'm gonna keep working on this, see if I can get this fixed. So, on the pad where we have cast vote, if PLR find first child vote, if PLR.vote.value, if they were already voting for this, we're ignoring it. Else, then we want to add one to the votes, right? If v, so for I, v voting system, so there's something going on with, it looks like there's something going on with this. v.sign.servitude.game name.text. So instead of that, chosen minigame. Did we ever assign chosen minigame? That's the problem. Whoa. Game name.text. Script.parent.parent.parent service. Game name. Oh. Okay, so if plr.vote.value, then plr vote.value equals script.parent.parent.sign game text. Yeah, all that stuff. Game.applications for votes, child 2 string, script.parent.parent.parent. Minigame index.value plus .value plus equal 1. That should work. So I'm a little confused as to why it's not. I mean, I fixed one thing right now. Let's see. Let's make one. Yahoo! I'm back. Welcome back, Crayfad. I'm making a minigame system by adding a module script in every game, and it's just required it from the main server, so I have clean code with only 3 to 4 scripts. Yeah, module scripts are nice. I should have been using module scripts, to be honest. I have homework to do, but I'll just watch you. If you have homework to do, there's no worries if you have to leave. Okay, cool. I hope you can get that fixed, Husky. And then how did you learn to start scripting? I basically learned from both YouTubers like Alvin Blocks as well as the dev forum. That was really helpful. Okay, so let's replace all of these with that. And I'm going to start up another server real fast. So I'm going to turn off the screen once again, because I don't accidentally want to leak any of my personal information. That wouldn't be wouldn't be great. Alright. There we go. Cool. So, I think we're good to turn the screen back on now. Alright, so we've got a local server starting up. One of many. Intermission. Okay. So, Volcano Run. Why is this not working? Minigames. Votes. Okay, so it actually is kind of working. It's just that it's not showing. So, weird. Okay, well, at least we know now it's actually, like, changing the votes. Sort of. Because it's not getting rid of the other one. So now it's just, like, you can vote infinitely. So we have a couple more issues to clean up with this system. So I'm going to go ahead and get back to it. Try adorning the GUI. That's a good point. I probably should do that, to be honest. The only issue with adorning it right now is that I've already got this set up to be, hold on, chosen. It's just the way that I have it set up, it might break the current scripts. Why is my screen back? Yeah, sorry about that. Let me turn it back on. There we go. Let's see. Okay, well, so I still need to finish this script. So we are looping through all the voting system children if plr.vote equals the script up here. Oh. Okay, so if it's v dot, I should have done this way differently. Chosen minigame dot value. I honestly should have done this like very, very different. I'm realizing now what I did wrong. I should have just gone with indexes instead of this whole name thing because this is kind of weird. I might leave for a second because I'm going to search YouTube for a video to see if there's one that helps me. No worries. Hope you can get that fixed. Hopefully see you later in the stream. If not, have a great rest of your day. Okay, so we're looping through this, and we also, let's see. We also want to say workspace voting system minigame one dot game chosen minigame dot value equals vote minigame. Okay. So that should help a lot, because now we're storing the minigame name inside of an actual value instead of actually just the text of the sign. That should help a lot. And then we'll say vote.value equals nothing, and then we also want to loop through at the end. For I can be in pairs game.players get players do if v colon find first child vote, then v.vote colon destroy. So we're destroying all the votes so that they can't vote during intermission. Okay. Let's see. Gaming Forever says, yo, congrats on 13k subs. Thank you so much. I appreciate everybody who has subscribed, seriously. What game are you making? Minigames game. I swear somebody should just make a video of you enter key, and I would watch it to calm my mind. Oh, that's funny. How long will you stream for? Probably not too much longer. We have almost been going an hour, so it probably won't be longer than that. When did I start YouTube? About 3 years ago, actually. I started scripting probably 4 years ago, and started YouTube a little over 3 years ago now, so yeah. Okay, minigame handling. I think that this is it. I think it should be good now. I just need to figure out what's going on with this sign votes. Maybe I should put this in a non-local script. I think I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do this, update votes. That's possibly the issue. And we can't use run service, so we'll say, we'll do that. And then we'll just say, votes.get property changed signal value connect function. So whenever it's changed, we'll just set it to be that. And that should be the update vote script. Let's go ahead and update the rest of these guys. Votes, let's get rid of that and put the new one in. I should have used module scripts from the beginning, but you know, at least if it works, then I know it wasn't the most efficient way to do this, but it was a way that works. That's the thing with coding. You can do it multiple ways. Not all the ways are the best ways. Like, now that I've already finished this, I'm realizing that probably wasn't the best way to do this voting system, but you know, if it works, then that's cool. Alright, hello Mr. Coders, says I hope I'm pronouncing this right, but woe to Crowfrums. Welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a great day. Okay, so I'm starting up another server, and then I'll turn the screen back on. Okay. Place one, there we go. We should be good to go. Oh, we're losing subs. All good. Alright, display captures on. There we go. Now you guys should be able to see this. Oh, voting. No. Get over there. Come on. Okay, so it still isn't working. Why, though? That's what I'm confused about. Vote volcano run. Okay. Votes 1, 2. I can set that to be 1. That's back to 0. Okay, so this is actually working now. So what I'm thinking is... Okay, yeah, I'm almost there. We're really close to being done with this voting system. Jaden Chance says, what's up, yo? Welcome to the stream. Jaden Chance, hope you're having a great day. Let's see, what's the bug currently? Argument 1 missing or nil. Possible minigames. Okay, hold on. Oh. Okay. So, 2 more problems to fix. One, we still have to figure out the votes thing, which I think I may have to do like an Adorny situation. No one asks, how do you optimize the code? Everyone asks, how does it work? That's very true, yeah. Plowdy says, congrats for 13k subs. Appreciate that. Thank you guys for everybody who subscribed. Secret Frosty says, hi, welcome to the stream. And then Alexis G says, I love your vids. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Alright, let's see. Alright. I think we are good to turn this back on. Okay, so 2 things to fix. One in the minigame handling. I forgot. When we choose the minigame, it's not the possible minigames, because we removed that from the possible minigames. So we're gonna say, local, game name equals workspace, no, we're just gonna say for icon local game name, for icon in pairs workspace.voting system get children do. Let's see, how did you have another player in the server? I started a local server, so you can do this, by clicking test up at the top and then starting a local server. Okay, let me check. Somebody asked a question in the chat real quick. Hi again, can I save 200 values in your tutorial for data store? Possibly, if you put them all on a table. I don't see why not. Hey, could you probably play my game? Possibly. I'm currently working on this right now, but I'm thinking about, like, in the future doing a game or video where I just play all your guys' games. Or a stream. I've done that before and it's super fun. Super Mario Scavenger says, hi, welcome to the stream. Joe Plays Games says, I'm late, no worries, welcome to the stream. Alright. If the... Okay, dot... minigame index equals I, then... game name equals v dot chosen minigame dot value, and then we need a value here. Dot value, chosen minigames game dot replicated storage, first child game name. So that should fix that. The voting system should be working now, but the problem is just getting this to show. I don't know exactly why it's not showing. script.parent.text equals toString votes.value. Just give it a little print. Print updating text. Because it's possible that it's like not even receiving that. So I'm going to give it another test. So let me run one more test server, and then I think we're going to go ahead and wrap things up because we've been streaming for quite a while now. Alright, I found an error. Now all I need to do is make whoever won, I need to add someone to teleport them to start a map. Yeah, so if you found an error, I mean, it's better than not finding an error and just struggling with your code, so I would prefer that any day. Let's see. Big Small Guy says how many subs for face reveal? I don't know, possibly. I mean, I could consider doing it in like at like 100,000, but I don't really know if I will or not. Okay, so I'm gonna check and see if the server even picked up anything. It did not. Oh. Cool. Oh, da 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 da. I keep saying that today, like da 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 da. Okay, it's not dot get property change signal, it's colon get property change signal. Okay, that should work. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one more test, and I think that actually may finish this, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and give this one more go. I'm gonna turn the screen on in 1 sec. Let me check the chat one more time. I don't know why you don't want to see your beautiful face. I mean, I don't know. I'd consider doing a face reveal at like 100K, but you know how much hate Dream got when he did a face reveal? I don't know if I want that, to be honest. Alright, okay, so we're in an intermission. Alright, let's vote. Color drop. Hey! There it is! We got it, we got it, we got it. Okay, I think it's working. Color drop has 1 vote. And color drop should spawn in. Okay. So, we gotta fix it. It chose the wrong minigame. Okay, but he was ugly. What's to say that I'm not ugly, then? Alright, let's see. Alright, so, I think I know what's going on here. If you don't flex your chin like Dream did, I think you won't get hate. Yeah, maybe not. I won't care if your face reveal, it's your choice. Yeah, I mean, I could. Does the minigame stop if everybody dies? It should. Yeah, I believe it does. If it doesn't, then that's an issue. Okay, I'm trying to fix this last part of the minigame handling. There's one thing left to do to the voting system, and that is to get the correct one. So instead of checking to see if it's I, we're just going to see if it is toString v... No. Equals v.name. If the index is toString of the index, v.minigame index. Okay, I think that should fix it. So this time it's actually checking, hey, we have vote number 1, okay? We have the first minigame, and let's check to see if this minigame index, for this one is 1, is actually the same or not. And if so, then we know which minigame won the votes. So, again, not the most efficient way to do this, but does it work? I believe so. So we're going to give it one more test, and that should finish things up. Okay, let's see. What game are you making? I'm making a mini-games game. Can you play your first game that you made, please? Maybe. Make a guide in the marketplace service. Oh, hold on, I just accidentally closed that. Okay, hold on. I gotta head back to this real quick. Intermission. I can't find any of the 2023 ones. So, what exactly do you mean by that? Color drop. So we give it a vote. And it should spawn in color drop. Uh-oh. Okay. So, again, we got a bug to fix. Argument 1, missing or nil. game name is nil. If toString v.minigameindex.value equals v.name. Voting system. Voting for icon of the impaired page search votes. Oh, I have two V's and I's. Two V's and I's. So that's a problem that I've had in the past where I've forgotten. I have two for loops, so I just need to rename this one to be index and value. And that should hopefully be it. Value equals v.name. That should be it. I'm gonna check the chat one more time, and then we should be able to play this together. Maybe in the marketplace. I mean like a Game Pass or dev product. Do you mean make a guide on the marketplace servers? What do you mean by guide as a Game Pass? Can you make a tutorial where there are mobs that you can kill for coins? Possibly, yeah, I could do that. I'll take a look and see what I can do. Legenday Bark says hi. Bartek says hi. Welcome to the stream. All right, local server with 2 players. We're gonna give this one more test, and then I'll let you guys join because we've been streaming for an hour. So we're gonna go ahead and start wrapping things up. As soon as we can give this a test and maybe check out my first game. Maybe. No promises. Maybe. Okay, here we go. You got a question? What's your question? Can you make a Pet Sim X game? Probably not. That's a lot of work. And personally, it's just not something that interests me. So I don't know. Alright, voting. Let's vote for Color Drop. My favorite one. Okay. But I could consider it. Hey, there we go, look at that. So the voting system works. Perfect. So we need to go to, oh, no. The brown one. Okay. Okay, and I won. Perfect. And we shouldn't be able to vote yet. Yeah, correct. Okay. What if I'm already standing on one of these? That might be an issue. Nope. There we go. Cool. So, voting system works. Hooray. Let's go ahead and give this a playtest if you guys would like to. I'm going to go ahead and save this and send the link in the chat for you guys to join. Alright, so I've just published it. Let me go ahead and grab the link to the game. We're back. Sorry about that, guys. I have no idea what just happened. Alright. Whew, that was interesting. Alright, so, with that said, let's go ahead and grab the game, shall we? One of many. I'm going to put the game link in the chat. I could turn my joins on. Join. Alright, there we go. So there's the game link. We should all be able to join now. Hello, Cobra, just joined. Welcome to the stream, LCR PvP. Alright, so let's see. I think this should be working. We're going to give it a final test. Oh, wait, let me turn the screen back on. Okay, there we go. Saving's still working and all that. Okay, so I think we can turn this back on now. Hold on. There we go. Okay, we had a troll in the chat. Had to time him out. Okay, we're voting. There's a vote for noob attack. I just realized if there are no votes, If nobody votes, then the whole game is gonna break. So that's gonna need to be fixed pretty soon. That's alright. You guys can join. I think I still... Yeah, there you go. You guys can join the game. There's the link. Don't go here. Yeah, I might not actually. Please put joins on. I'm on mobile. Oh, sure. I'll put joins on. Actually, I think my joins are on. Are they not? Check my profile. Here's my profile. What did you do the stream? I made a voting system. Oh no, Kobe official. No. Okay. So we survived intermission. Pretty soon we should be able to vote. Let's do color drop, guys. Let's do color drop. Oh wait, no, color drop, color drop, color drop, color drop. Over here, over here. Over here. Over here. Yes. There we go. Okay, so this is working. Everything we did today seems to be working just fine. Purple. This has got to be my favorite minigame. Can you shout me out? Yeah, shout out to Kevin Brian Party. I think that's how you say it. If not, I apologize. Alright. Brown, 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 brown. And it gets faster each time. Wait. Let's go. Oh no! Doggy! No! Not very difficult though. Yeah, I do need to make it go a little faster. Pink, 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 pink. It's getting fast, guys. Pink again? No! Oh. Alright. Nobody won? Alright, well. I'm gonna let you guys decide. You guys decide the minigame. You guys can decide. Parkour it is. Here we go. By the way, I'm dogging in the game. Oh, okay, nice, nice. Alright, here we go. I'm not good at parkour, especially this one, because, dude, that part is so hard. Alright, let's see if I can spectate someone. So, Kobe's here. Ooh, nice. Alright, intermission. Cool. Dispenser Gaming says, hello, welcome to the stream. Alright, I think we're gonna go and wrap things up there, and then, maybe we'll check out my first games in, like, a video or a stream or something. If you say hamster, that's me. Oh, okay, nice, nice. Alright, last test, and then we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the stream, because we've been streaming for about an hour, 10 minutes, so it's a pretty good length. White. Oh, it's me, Clearfed. Nice. Welcome to the game now. Alright, red. Okay, so I think that this is not a bad game. It's pretty cool. We'll add some more mini games in future streams. I think it's pretty cool. What do you guys think? Good for like an hour, like twice a week, and we've been working a couple weeks, so I probably spent, I don't know, 6 hours on this game, maybe? Not too bad. Yikes. Brown. Oh, no, we all lost that. So it gets a little too fast, huh? I may need to update that. Please don't end the stream. I just came. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to wrap things up. I got stuff to do today, but there will be new videos and streams soon. Doing this again. By the way, these earbuds and the glasses are my UGC. If you would like to check it out. Alright, white. See if anybody can actually win this. I may need to change how long it waits, because this is quite tough. Your vids are amazing. Appreciate that, Crayfad. Do you have Twitter? No, I don't, actually. Just YouTube and Discord, and that's it. I'm making a game. Awesome. I'd love to hear more about it soon. Okay, come on. Yellow again, okay. Oh, wow, this is fast. Okay, yeah, that definitely needs to be changed. Okay, next stream, I will fix that. That goes way too fast. Yeah, way too fast. So, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that's changed next stream, as well as fixing that one bug that if nobody votes, then it just picks a random one. Other than that, I think we are going to wrap things up. Can you add me on Discord? So no, I don't add people on Discord, but you can join my server if you have questions. And I answer them there. How do you get games ideas? So that's a good question. Honestly, coming up with game ideas is like half the hard part of game development. It just sometimes it comes to you, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you gotta look up some ideas. You know, it's it's different for everybody. But you guys are asking for my server. I'll put it in the chat real quick. Let's see. Invite. Never expire. There we go. Alright, here is the server if you guys would like to join it. Congrats on 13K. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Thank you to everybody who subscribed. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. Alright, so I think we're going to go and wrap things up. That's going to end the stream today. But yeah. Whoa! I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you're subscribed and click the notification bell for future episodes. I feel so lonely right here in this lobby by myself. Alright. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in a future stream. Let me say goodbye. Bye to Ahmed School Gamers, Husky Games, LCR PvP, Crayfad, Husky Games. Oh, wait, I already said that, my bad. And the Proisiet. See you guys, and yeah, hope to see you guys in a future stream video. Bye, guys.